Okay guys, I'm trying to install the new vent, but it looks like this has to go like, I was able to remove it from here like and pull it out, but you cannot reinsert it because it has to like go straight like that. Okay, so what I have to do is remove this, like the back of it, and of course try to remove this because this goes like after, so it would cover it like right here. So I got the new one right there, but so I have to remove, like there's like two bolts like right here that hold it and two bolts on the other side to remove this part. And so you need to remove this bolt right here, okay, the bottom part, with this kind of tool. And then this will actually remove as well. So I moved the seat that way, and now I'm gonna move it the other way because there are like some sort of clips. Okay, then you can just like pull it that way as well, and you are able to get to the bolts. Okay, okay, now I have to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I was able to remove the bolts and then just pull it like from the bottom too, from the top and the bottom, and I'm able to remove it. Now just want to disconnect all the wires, and these were easy to remove. Just press and pull, and this one was a little hard because there's like a locking mechanism, so you just press on the top and then move it over here and it will unlock. Okay guys, so the hardest part was to remove this part. Okay, so as you can see right here, these actually go inside, and I think it was installed incorrectly, and these were like completely inside here, but they should go like this. Okay, should go like this, and so you have to like press these parts like separately to release it. Okay, and once you release one side, the other side can be like pulled out like that. So now we can go ahead and install the vent. Okay, and by the way, this should be easy to remove from the outside, like from there, like this part. As you can see, they have like clips right here. Okay, so you can just press these over here, or maybe it should just come off once you pull it. Okay, so and if you buy one like me, they also have like spare stuff that goes right here, but mine's are okay, so I'm not gonna replace them. And you just need to remove, like they put like something right here so these would not like come out, So you have to remove this part so you can turn it, otherwise this will not turn. Now we just need to align these and put them over here. Okay, so I was able to install it, but it was like pretty tough because these would like come out, and you can align these and then just press like right here and push them in like from the bottom or the top, and as you can see it's installed and they are working properly. Now I can go ahead and install the rest. So as you can see, I pushed it in, okay, and that's how you would press to remove them, okay. Okay, now I can go ahead and install it back. So make sure you connect everything, like all the wires, and then try to get the bottom first, and like these right here that go like right under here, make sure you align them so it would go like on the bottom here, and then you can install this stuff over here. Okay, so then you can just put all the bolts in and put everything back. So if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel.